thank you for giving me this opportunity. Can I just ask if I could have a copy of the recording, because I would like to use it to promote my new business. When all your kids are sleeping and the party's soon to start, I'm your friendly babysitter. Just call me if you're smart. I'm a dingle-dangle scarecrow with the flippy-floppy hat. I can shake my hands like this. I can shake my feet like that. I won't mind if they're fussy. I make sure that they're fed. Then I kick them in the arse and I send them off to bed. I'm a dingle-dangle scarecrow with the flippy-floppy hat. I can shake my hands like this. I can shake my feet like that. If your kids are just naughty and they don't do what I said, I could get very angry and I might just lose my head. I'm a dingle-dangle scarecrow with the flippy-floppy hat. I can shake my hands like this. I can shake my feet like that. So if you want my service and you're not afraid to pay, we can come to an agreement and I can come around